Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for all the breakfast enthusiasts out there. We'll be sharing 5 mouth-watering and nutritious breakfast ideas to kickstart your day with a healthy dose of energy. So, let's dive right in. 1. Energizing overnight oats. Our first breakfast idea is perfect for those busy mornings when you're short on time. It's none other than energizing overnight oats. Simply mix rolled oats with your choice of milk, Greek yogurt, and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Add some chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and in the morning you'll have a delicious and ready-to-eat breakfast. Top it off with fresh fruits, nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for added flavor. 2. Protein-packed avocado toast. Avocado toast has become a breakfast classic, and for good reason. It's quick, easy, and packed with healthy fats. Start by toasting a slice of whole grain bread. Then, spread mashed avocado on top and sprinkle it with salt and pepper. To make it protein-rich, add a poached egg or some crumbled feta cheese. You can also customize it with additional toppings like cherry tomatoes, smoked salmon, or arugula. 3. Nutrient-dense smoothie bowl. If you're a fan of refreshing and colorful breakfasts, smoothie bowls are the way to go. Blend together frozen fruits like berries or mangoes with a liquid base such as almond milk or coconut water. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and top it with a variety of nutritious ingredients like granola, sliced bananas, shredded coconut, and a drizzle of nut butter. It's a great way to get a wide range of vitamins and minerals in one delicious bowl. 4. Hearty Veggie Omelette. For those who prefer a savory breakfast, a hearty veggie omelette is the perfect choice. Beat a few eggs in a bowl and season them with salt and pepper. Heat a nonstick pan, add some chopped vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, and mushrooms, and cook them until they soften. Then pour the beaten eggs over the veggies and let it cook until the edges set. Fold it in half and cook for another minute. Serve it with a side of whole grain toast for a satisfying morning meal. 5. Wholesome Yogurt Parfait. Last but not least, we have a wholesome yogurt parfait that's both nutritious and delightful. In a glass or jar, layer Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of your favorite granola or nuts. Repeat the layers until you reach the top, and finish it off with a drizzle of honey or a dollop of nut butter. This parfait is not only visually appealing but also packed with protein, probiotics, and antioxidants. And there you have it, 5 fantastic breakfast ideas to start your day on a healthy note. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so fuel your body right with these delicious and nutritious options. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes and healthy living tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.